Welcome back to Tech Vibes as we carefully explore the Samsung Smart TV service menu. Place the Samsung Smart TV remote on a flat surface and make sure batteries are working. Turn the Samsung Smart TV completely off using the remote power button. Wait until the Samsung Smart TV screen is fully black with no standby glow. Keep the Samsung Smart TV plugged into power during this entire process. Hold the Samsung Smart TV remote firmly with clear access to all buttons. Press Info on the Samsung Smart TV remote slowly and clearly. Press Menu next on the Samsung Smart TV remote without rushing. Press Mute on the Samsung Smart TV remote as the third step. Press Power to turn the Samsung Smart TV back on. Watch closely as the Samsung Smart TV boots into a hidden menu. The Samsung Smart TV service menu should now appear on the screen. Do not press random buttons inside the Samsung Smart TV service menu. Use only the arrow keys on the Samsung Smart TV remote to navigate. Move slowly through the Samsung Smart TV service menu options. Never change values unless you understand the Samsung Smart TV setting. Highlight the control option carefully on the Samsung Smart TV screen. Avoid factory reset options inside the Samsung Smart TV service menu. Check panel information shown in the Samsung Smart TV service menu. Review firmware data displayed by the Samsung Smart TV service menu. Do not adjust calibration values on the Samsung Smart TV. Keep hands steady while using the Samsung Smart TV remote. If you make a mistake, stop pressing buttons on the Samsung Smart TV remote. Use the back button gently within the Samsung Smart TV service menu. Never unplug the Samsung Smart TV while in the service menu. Avoid pressing power repeatedly on the Samsung Smart TV remote. Read each Samsung Smart TV menu label carefully before moving. The Samsung Smart TV service menu is meant for technicians only. Access the Samsung Smart TV service menu only when necessary. To exit, stop navigating inside the Samsung Smart TV menu. Press the power button once on the Samsung Smart TV remote. Allow the Samsung Smart TV to shut down completely. Wait a few seconds before turning the Samsung Smart TV on again. Turn the Samsung Smart TV back on normally using the remote. Confirm the Samsung Smart TV boots to the regular home screen. Check that the Samsung Smart TV settings remain unchanged. Test picture and sound on the Samsung Smart TV briefly. Ensure the Samsung Smart TV responds normally to inputs. Never repeat the service menu steps on the Samsung Smart TV unnecessarily. Keep the Samsung Smart TV remote stored safely after use. This method works on many Samsung Smart TV models. Results may vary depending on Samsung Smart TV software versions. Always proceed slowly when working with a Samsung Smart TV. Incorrect settings can affect Samsung Smart TV performance. Use this Samsung Smart TV service menu responsibly. Tech Vibes focuses on safe and realistic Samsung Smart TV solutions. This guide helps you understand Samsung Smart TV service access. Share this video with others using a Samsung Smart TV. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more Samsung Smart TV tutorials. Thanks for watching this Samsung Smart TV guide on Tech Vibes.